This video will show you how you can contact a community group or organisation with a project proposal on Aspiring Places. First, you will need to search for Argyll and Bute Voices in your internet browser. You can either enter the web address on screen or scan the QR code. Once you have opened Argyll and Bute Voices, you will have to sign in at the top right-hand corner of your screen. You will have to create an account and sign in on Argyll and Bute Voices to contact a group with a project proposal on Aspiring Places. Please watch the previous video guide to find out how to create an account on Argyll and Bute Voices. After you have successfully signed in, please go to the Aspiring Places Project Bank. You can click on the banner at the top of the page that says Explore the Aspiring Places Project Bank. Here you can browse the proposals list on the Aspiring Places Project Bank. Click on the project that you are interested in contacting a group about. After you have clicked on the title of the project proposal and opened the full proposal, please click on the name of the group that is proposing the project under the title at the top of the page. After you click on the name of the group, a new window will appear. Click on the Send Private Message button. After you click the Send Private Message button, you will be able to type out the message that you wish to send to the group. After you have typed out your message, please click Send Message. We encourage you to sign off your message with your name and contact email. Argyll and Bute Voices doesn't create a direct chat between you and the person you message. Instead, they receive an email notification about your private message. After that, you'll likely continue your conversation via email, which helps keep a record of your communication. After you send a private message to a community group or organisation, you will receive email confirmation of the private message that you have sent. If you are a community group or organisation who has received a private message, you will also get email confirmation. You can click on the blue Reply To button to reply to the person who has sent you a private message. If you have a question that has not been covered in this video, you can email the project team at aspiringplaces@argyll-bute.gov.uk.